Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to know when to parry in Expedition 33. Learning when to parry can be quite difficult in Expedition 33, as the window can be as tight as less than half a second. When encountering new enemies, this tight window can't be easily grasped, even with players that are quite experienced in games that have parry mechanics. I advise you to learn that when in combat, dodging is a good option before you engage in parrying. Enemy attacks usually have a clear wind-up animations, so learning these patterns is essential. There are also sound cues that will help you with timing these dodges. It's better to practice with dodging mechanics first when it comes to learning new movesets from enemies, to have a better grasp of their timing in the long run. Once you're done with that, you can practice with parrying after. Patience is key with learning parry windows, so give yourself some time to learn essential parry windows. And that's how to know when to parry in Expedition 33.